love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always
Namaste Friends. So today is chapter 67 in the entire Python family, and in the NumPy this is chapter 26. We have still not finished the distributions. We saw so many distributions: binomial, normal, Poisson, exponential, logistics, etc., etc. So we also saw where each and everything is actually used. We saw the syntax, we saw the amount of parameters which is being used, but for Poisson and exponential, which is 2 parameters, the remaining thing all has 3. In the same distribution list, today what we're going to be seeing is ChiSquare distribution. It is called ChiSquare. So the ChiSquare is used as a basis to verify the hypothesis. So the hypothesis is nothing but an assumption. So it is like assumption is called the hypothesis, and this assumption, if you're going to actually verify the assumption, okay, if you're going to verify the assumption, then the ChiSquare is actually used. This ChiSquare, just like the Poisson and the exponential, it follows the same thing of 2 parameters. A df is a degree of freedom, and the size actually comes quite common, the shape of the returned array. All right, so again it is like the random.ChiSquare. These things should be fine. It is used for the hypothesis. So this thing is commonly used. This is the degree of freedom 2. This is 2, 3. Print x. So the array which has been returned as 3 in a 2, this thing. So this is what does. The degree of freedom is 2. All right. So this we know. So we also know the random.ChiSquare. Okay, this is like a common thing which is dot. Now if you want to actually visualize, let's take this and let's actually visualize this. Almost the same thing. Random, matplot, SNS, Seaborn. The degree of freedom is 1. There is no histogram, false. And when you want to show it, when you want to run this, let's actually see what actually comes. This is like very similar to that of the exponential. See here, it actually goes, and then it actually goes here. So what happens is, a typical scenario is have a scenario, you make an assumption, and then you verify the assumption. For that verification of the assumption is where we use the ChiSquare test. And this is a small lecture. I trust you have actually understood this, enjoyed this. If you have any questions, kindly contact me. I'll actually try to help you to the best of my abilities. Like always, I would like to thank 2 persons. One is you for giving me a golden time, and the other is my wife Jayashree for allowing me to follow my passion. Till we see next time, take care, cheers, and thank you.